Do you ask yourself why, if someone is in Europe and you watch each TikTok video, YouTube is going to, or TikTok is actually going to pay that particular person? But if you are in Africa, you are not eligible for the TikTok Creativity Beta program. This is very, very bad. Like, totally bad. I watch your video, you get paid, but I am not eligible to get paid. So, on this junction, I'm about to tell you the journey of how you can become a successful TikToker. If you need, the only thing you need there is an international TikTok account, being of UK, US, Germany, Spain, and all of that. So if you need one of these, kindly contact the number on the screen for international TikTok accounts.